Hello, my fellow YouTubers. I know a lot of you have been seeing that people will subscribe to your channel. All of a sudden, the subscription is nowhere to be found. Today, I'm here to tell you why that is happening to your channel. If you're telling people to subscribe to your channel, you should tell them how to subscribe to your channel. If not, that subscription will be a waste. Now, listen, YouTube algorithm has been trained to monitor every subscription. It has been trained to monitor how subscription comes into your platform, and if it does not come through the right process, it will be null and void to be removed. You will see that you have 50 subscribers, all of a sudden it's now 45. I have the experience. In fact, I made a video about my experience in the description. I'll drop the video in the description below. Now listen, if you want people to support you, tell them how to do it. And this is what you should do. Let them know, I need your support. Support my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. But before subscribing, ensure you watch my video. Know what I'm all about. That is what YouTube is meant for. YouTube is meant to build a community of different persons coming together in different groups. That's why we have categories. You understand? So if somebody wants to support you, that person should be able to at least watch one or two of your videos. If the person cannot watch your long form videos, the person should go ahead and watch your short videos. Okay? After watching your short videos from beginning to the end, let them know this from beginning to the end. Watch one, watch two, then give it a like. Give the video a like and drop a comment in the video before subscribing. If not, that subscription will be a waste. You understand what I'm saying? Don't just go ahead and say, okay, YouTubers, let's grow together, let's gather here. You will gather here, but it will not count if you don't do things the right way. I've experienced it. I'm telling you the truth, and that's why I'm here sharing this information. In fact, you can have 1,000 comments in your comment section, and there's really nothing to write about. You understand what I'm saying? So do this the right way and come and give me feedback in the comment section. If you have watched this video and you find value in it, why not give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and let me know your experience as, stop this sub for something that everybody is trying to do. It does not work. If it does not work, it does not work. Just learn to do things the right way. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.